What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, the new Scooby-Doo and Courage the Cowardly Dog crossover premieres tomorrow, and I'm very excited for the nostalgia, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different vegan Courage the Cowardly Dog recipes. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. For our first recipe, we're going to make some Happy Plums from Season 2, Episode 13. For this recipe, you'll need some plums that are cut in half and have the pit removed, some brown sugar, some vegan butter, some balsamic vinegar, and some vegan sour cream. Alright, let's put this together. All right, and here we have our vegan Happy Plums. Next, we're going to make some Muriel Mac Cheese from Season 1, Episode 13. For this recipe, you'll need one 16-ounce box of macaroni noodles, 1 box of Daiya Deluxe cheese sauce, 10 tablespoons of vegan butter, 2 cups of vegan shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup of vegan shredded mozzarella cheese, and 1 teaspoon of pepper, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, let's put this together. All right. And here we have our vegan Muriel Mac and Cheese. For our last recipe, we're going to make a flan from season 3, episode 13. For the caramel, you'll need half a cup of coconut sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And for the custard, you'll need 2 13.5 ounce cans of coconut milk, half cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of agar-agar powder, 3/4 teaspoon of yellow food coloring, and another 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. All right, let's put this together. This is optional, but if you want, you can get some icing and put a little design on there. And here we have our vegan Courage the Cowardly Dog flan. If you would like to make any of the recipes, I'll have them linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget, drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.